Hi guys, this is Team 14 and our topic is lazy recipe. So at this time I will demo you about our application on the iOS platform. So this is our main icon, and by touch it we could get into our application, and we have three main features, which is my ingredients, my recipe, and predefined. I will introduce you one by one. The first of all, I would like to lead you to my recipe feature. So in this way, we could search the recipe by the recipe name. We could tap the keywords in it, and also can search by different categories, which is the courses and the cuisine and holiday. And we could also clear it by return to none. And in this way, I'd like to give you a very short example about how this feature work. For example, we like to tap the onion soup, and also the drinks, and the cuisine maybe the American, and the holiday maybe the Christmas. Actually, I would like to introduce also as well as the bookmarks and histories in case of the future comparison. So in this way, we don't have any bookmarks or histories. So we could search by these keywords. Click search, and we could get the results list, which will contain the image of the recipe, the name of the recipe, and also its ratings. We could click on the pumpkin soup, and in this way we could also get the detailed instructions. Because it is not very full instructions, so it will lead us to our unique details. Because our application is based on the third-party API, which is called the Umli. So in this way, we use the web view to contain the Umli details. So we do not want user to click and direct to other websites by using Safari. So this is by the user experience concerns. And in this way, we could find the food directions. We would like to get the food directions about how to cook this soup. So in this way, we could also click this by return. And also in this way, we like to click on the bookmark so that the recipe is added in the bookmark. Then we could check. We could find that the bookmarks, which is one of our tab bar, will contain it automatically, as well as the history one. But in this history one, we like to refresh, because both these parts we provide two features, which is a refresh to get the new thing, and also refresh automatically. So then we could click menu to return. And so I would like to introduce you a very interesting feature. It is called the predefined, and this one hasn't been occurred in any other recipes now in the app store. In this way, we like to track the refrigerators that user have, and want the user who is very lazy and who do not want to go out to buy other ingredients and want to cook by themselves. So in this way, we like to let user to predefine some ingredients that they already have, and these predefined ingredients will added into our database, that whenever user log in, user do not have to add the ingredients one more time. So in this way, we also provide user a very quick search, because there are a lot of ingredients. So if we would like users to input, or like users to choose by different sauces categories, maybe the meats or refrigerators or something, it will lead to a very bad user experience. So we simply added the quick search filters. So for example, we like to have the cheese, and user maybe also have the beef. So that we could add it in the ingredients that we selected to the predefined list. In this way, it will show our cheese and beef and also we could add it to delete or something. So we could click save so that the predefined list will be saved. And in this way, we could find that in my ingredients, which will be used in the future search, has automatically added the predefined list. And in this way, we also provide users to add new ingredients. For example, user also could have the cheese, and maybe they also have bacon. So we added it into the ingredients list, and so that our ingredients list it should be concerned that this is ingredients, not the predefined ingredients. And we also could have the replace predefined so that it will replace the predefined list by this one. I will show you in a second as well. So in this way, we could click the search button, and it will contain the results, which will contain all the ingredients that we selected, and put the recipe list by this one. And by click this, just wait a second. So it is very cool since there are 100% match. What is a match is that 100% match means that user can only use these 3 ingredients to cook this meal. So it is pretty amazing. So by click this, we could find that there the beef, cheese, bacon, which is contained in our ingredients list, and then we could get detailed instructions which will be the same as before. So in this way, I have showed you all the features that we have, and just by more details, you could click the predefined list so that the predefined list will save all the ingredients that we selected before. So that's all. Thank you.